What's up, what's up, what's up? I am back, and I am back. So, yeah, I am headed to get some racing in today. Headed down to Augusta, Georgia to do some racing. I've got my E-buggy, my nitro buggy, and both 10 skills with me. So I'm gonna see what kind of action we find today. But me and Ethan and Jason are gonna be there. It should be a good time. I know in nitro and E-buggy we'll all duke it out because we're all really about the same pace. So it'll be a good time. There's about hopefully there's a good turnout. I try to support all these tracks around here, and I've only been to this place once, so I made it a point to come down here today. So yeah, the track's pretty sick though. I do like it. It's got a lot of corners, and it's got like a lot of off-camber stuff. So it's fun. I enjoy it. I do have a new order of Clean Freak New Era hats coming in. I might get some Clean Works ones too. Clean Works is the brand, Clean Freak is the product. I need to put I'll put the website here. It should be on your screen now. But yeah, so it should be fun. I'll film around the pits and stuff like that. You guys will see the new tire company I'm running, because I did make that switch, so that's cool. Everything else is staying the same so far. I am trying to figure out a few things for 2021 about a few certain things, but I can't really say much about that yet. But I do have a new tire sponsor, and I'm pretty pumped about it. Today will be my debut on those tires, and it should be fun. It should be a good time. And there's a cop right there. I've got some new setups on my E-buggy and my nitro buggy, and I'm pretty pumped about those. I haven't ran them in like, I think, let's see, it's been about 3 weeks since I've been to the track, just because I've been kind of sick. I haven't had COVID, but I've definitely been sick, and yes, I've been kind of down. But at last I'm here. We're about to send it. I'm about 20 miles out now. I think Ethan and them are ahead of me, so it should be a good time. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share this, make sure you hit the bell. I don't know where the bell is on your screen, on your phone or whatever, but hit that. Tell everybody about it. We're about to do more content. I know it's been a few months and it's just been crazy, but we are about to do more content. We're about to have more fun. So yeah, this should be pretty rad, so check it out. Alright, so we made it. I've already started getting some laps. Basically, the E-buggy's pretty dialed right now. It feels really good. Haven't had to change anything on it yet. Nitro buggy, I had to change some of the front end alignment, but besides that, that thing's good. Full drive buggy, I lost a tire, but besides that, that thing is good. As you can see, I am on AK, so this year we're rocking AK. I did hit a guy going down the straightaway, so I killed my two-wheel drive. I don't know if I'm gonna run it still, but I got enough practice on everything. Everything feels great. The track is pretty good. Everything feels really good, so we will see. I'm gonna run two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, nitro, and E-buggy. So it should be good. We'll see.
Drivers are ready, so less than 5.
Zachary Thompson in first. Robert Willard in second.
Oh my Lord.
Stephen Wood in first. Brian Abbott in third. Brian Corley in fifth. Ethan McManus in fourth.
Hey,
Did you just say bitch?
Zachary Thompson in second. Robert Willard in fifth. Brian Abbott in third. Stephen Wood in first. Ethan McManus in fourth. Zachary Thompson in second. Stephen Wood in first. Brian Abbott in fourth. Robert Willard in fifth. Ethan McManus in third.
Alright, so first rounds were pretty good. I TQ'd in 4-wheel buggy. I was running with a bunch of trucks. So that was cool. They were definitely a lot faster than I was, just because the track is a little loose right now. But next round I'm gonna glue up some impacts, and we should be okay. Nitro buggy, I tore up a clutch valve, but I'm about to swap that, and then we're gonna be good to go. So pretty pumped. We should be okay. Nitro, I knew I could tell I had the pace, because I was in first place by a long shot, and then, but that's racing, so we'll get it fixed. So stay tuned.